Running a Shopify store and not using Klaviyo flows, you're leaving money on the table. Shopify brands using Klaviyo for email and SMS see a 22% boost in sales. Plus, Klaviyo Flows works on autopilot, turning users into paying customers while you sleep. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Klaviyo Flows step by step, including connecting Klaviyo to Shopify and syncing customer data, building the Welcome Series flow to turn subscribers into buyers, creating the abandoned cart flow to recover lost sales, and if you stick around till the end, I'll show you a secret flow to double your reviews and boost credibility. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly are Klaviyo flows? You've probably heard them called drip campaigns or automations. Imagine having a 24/7 sales assistant that sends the right messages at the right time. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what Klaviyo flows do. They automatically send emails based on what your customers do, like joining your email list, abandoning their cart, or making a purchase. The best part, once they're set up, they work in the background, making sales while you focus on growing your business. But first, we need to connect Klaviyo to Shopify. To do this, first, head to the Shopify App Store and install the Klaviyo email marketing and SMS app. Next, sign up for a free Klaviyo account or login. Once installed, Klaviyo automatically syncs your Shopify data, customer profiles, order history, product data. It's all ready to go. Now that we've connected both apps, let's move on to step number 2, setting up the Welcome Series flow. First impressions are everything. The Welcome Series is your chance to turn subscribers into first-time buyers. When done right, it introduces your brand story and builds trust, showcases best-selling products, and converts new subscribers into first-time buyers through an incentive. Quick tip, download our cheat sheet with step-by-step tutorials for the top 8 essential flows. Link in the description below. Okay, now back to setting up a welcome flow in Klaviyo. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Go to the Flows tab. Click on Create Flow in the top right-hand corner. In the search bar, type Welcome Series. As you can see, Klaviyo gives you a few variations to choose from. For this tutorial, we will use the Welcome Series Final Discount Flow, but you can pick any with the Shopify logo. Okay, click Use Flow and the Flow Builder screen will open up. You'll need to set the trigger yourself, which should be, quote, when someone is added to, quote, new subscribers. That means that every time a new subscriber joins your email list, this flow will start running automatically. Klaviyo will then create what's called a conditional split that organizes subscribers into 2 groups or paths. Path 1 is the yes path for returning customers. These are subscribers who have already placed an order. And path 2 is potential buyers who are first-time subscribers but who haven't purchased yet. Okay, so for path 1, the email is all about engagement and retention. Click here on the welcome email for existing customers. You'll see the subject line, "Thanks for subscribing." Feel free to play around, and you can even use Klaviyo's AI to come up with a catchier subject line. Your content should include a simple thank you, making them feel appreciated and reinforcing their connection with your brand, and a call to action where you invite them to join your community, follow you on social media, or learn about new releases. Now, for path 2, conversion is the name of the game. Your email should be a warm welcome message to introduce them to your brand, while offering them an exclusive discount or bonus to encourage their first purchase. Now, showcasing best-selling products or customer favorites can help with this too. Once done, all you have to do is test your flow and activate it. That's it. Okay, moving on to step 3, let's set up the abandoned cart flow. Did you know that 70% of carts are abandoned? That's a huge chunk of sales you could be recovering with a well-timed email. This makes the abandoned cart flow one of the most profitable automations for e-commerce. Here's how to set it up. Head to Flows, Create Flow, then Abandoned Cart Reminder. First, make sure the trigger is set to checkout started but not completed. Then, personalize the emails and SMS messages to match your brand voice and style at every touchpoint. Use reminders, urgency, and last chance discounts to recover those sales. Okay, test the flow, adjust time, and hit Activate. That's it. You'll start recapturing lost revenue without doing a single extra thing. And finally, here's that secret flow I promised you earlier. Ready to double your reviews and boost sales? Customer reviews are key. 75% of customers check reviews before buying. But fact is, most stores forget to ask for reviews. So it's a no-brainer to set up this flow early on and make sure it gets done. To do that, go to the Shopify App Store and install Klaviyo Reviews. Next, sync it with your Klaviyo account so it can pull review data. Okay, now we need to head back to Klaviyo to automate it. Go to Flows, Create Flow, and select Product Review Request. Set the trigger to Placed Order. Once the flow opens in the builder, you'll see it's been set up with a 14-day delay. This gives customers some time to receive and use the product. Customize your email thanking them, asking for a review, offering a discount, or loyalty points as an incentive. What's great is that Klaviyo automatically provides a direct link to the product, making the review process a breeze. That's it. This flow helps you collect reviews and drive repeat purchases. Win-win. Congrats, your Klaviyo flows are now working 24/7, turning visitors into customers and recovering lost sales while you sleep. Want more advanced email strategies for e-commerce? Check out the links below, including our free cheat sheet with the top 8 flows you need to set up today. And if this tutorial was helpful, like and subscribe. We've got more Klaviyo hacks coming your way. See you in the next video.